That's our seat? Wow. Indian flag. Thank you. So proud. So proud. Yeah, we'll get food.
One world, one ride.
Okay guys, so I am in Vietnam with
You have a
Maria.
40.
And Vietnam is official, no, traditional food. Ta-da! Damn, it's
See, look
raw!
my face.
It's raw! It's getting cooked right in front of us. Let's eat it. Here with me is Maria. Hey Maria.
Hi.
And she is taking me out to see Hanoi City. And this is the Hanoi City Center. And behind me is what lake is that? What lake is that?
One Kiem Lake.
One Kim Lake. So let's explore more of Hanoi City, yeah? Thank you, Maria, for taking me out, yeah? Okay, Maria, who is this great man?
This is the Lý Thái Tổ King who moving the capital from the other city, Ninh Bình, to Hanoi.
Okay. So Vietnam's capital is Hanoi?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So he's the one who made the capital.
Moving from the other city.
All right, okay. Great man.
Luôn một ly đấy.
Famous ice cream. What is it called?
Tràng Tiền.
Chiang King.
Ice cream shop. This is Tràng Tiền name.
Yeah.
Kem Tràng Tiền. Since how many years bao nhiêu lâu rồi? 60 năm ạ. 60 years already. 60.
60 years old. Really tasty one, huh? Lovely. The famous Hanoi Opera House, 100 years old. And that's the Hilton Hotel. Nice. We are at a local restaurant. This is Tiger Beer. And we are ordering.
is drinking beer.
And we are having authentic Vietnamese food, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, Vietnamese food. Chicken.
Only the chicken.
Only the chicken, no pork, no beef.
Later
Usually-
you will be surprised with that.
Really?
Yeah.
Good?
Yeah.
Hope it's good. Hope it tastes good. It's not raw, right?
I don't know, but then they make many kind with the chicken.
Okay.
9 kind of food only with chicken.
Okay. So let's try it out. Vegetarian नहीं रहा boss. Ashish. Last night we had a lovely dinner and I just was very tired and just came back to the room and went off to sleep. Right now we are going to Halong Bay, waiting for Maria to come. As soon as Maria comes, we're going to take a bus there and go. I hope the place is beautiful. I'm exploring it without the motorcycle. Once we come here, back again from Halong Bay, then I'll rent a bike and ride it around. Most probably a dirt bike. That's it. Till then, Maria has come and we are going to Halong Bay.
Yes.
You're still sleepy.
I still want to sleep right now. I will sleep on the bus.
Okay, so we're gonna take a bus to Halong Bay and let's see how it is. It's supposed to be a very beautiful place. And
I hope the weather will be nice.
yeah, I hope the weather. We hope the weather is gonna be nice.
Otherwise, we cannot see anything else.
Yeah. So let's check it out. Yeah, what is that? What is she putting? Tell her not to put beef.
No, this is for me. This for you. This for you. The other for you. Có. Em gọi lên đây. Đi ngồi, đi ngồi, đi ngồi. Có chim đi, có ớt đi chị. Ớt xì dầu đi chị. Ớt không xì dầu. Anh không ăn thịt thì chỉ có trứng. Vâng, you eat this?
Yeah.
Ớt đây. Muối. Có rồi. Có cần nóng không?
Morning breakfast. Nice. Different. Nice bus.
Comfortable.
Very comfortable.
And then if we visit this, anh ơi em đi tàu
So we have reached Halong Bay. Now we are going
anh
towards
ơi
the
vào đô
boat.
bao nhiêu nhỉ? Vì em đi taxi luôn.
Nice. So you're gonna catch a boat from here?
Yeah, someone will pick up us inside the house and then we go to the boat.
Okay. Damn, we are moving right now. We are sailing to those mountains behind me. This is one hell of an experience, which I'm beautiful. This is beautiful experience. If they dock somewhere, I will try to fly the drone. Let's see. I wish I could fly and carrying the drone right now, but then let's see what we can do. This is beautiful. Check it out. Isn't it beautiful? It's foggy, but then it's beautiful. Yeah, it's moving. Yeah. That's our seat? Yes. Wow. Indian flag. Thank you. So proud. So proud. Yeah, we'll get food. Proud to see an Indian flag on my table. The food is excellent. Lovely food. Indian flag. Good lunch. But then we have come here. Everything is so scenic here. Wow. Just mesmerizing. You can see this. This are guys. Oh. So many little boats going. I'm gonna go do this whole day. we are back. I'm in my room, and this is so nice. This is really nice. The boat is parked here in the night in between the mountains. Really, it's an amazing sight, an amazing experience. Anybody coming to Vietnam, this is a must visit. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. I am trying my best to do it, and to all the lovely people who are watching it, stay blessed. And this is a piece of information I wanted to give, that please don't, if you are in Vietnam, please don't forget to take a cruise here. Till then, tomorrow we're gonna head back to Hanoi, and then I'm gonna try riding a dirt bike. I'm gonna rent it out here and try riding a dirt bike. Let's see how it works out. And yeah, enjoy it a lot. Bye bye.
One world, one ride.
So with me today we are gonna ride to the mountains. I have this bike to ride. Dirt bike. I always wanted to ride this. Ian, is this Royal Enfield? Can you beat that? From India.